The Lord, sir. Now it's time to call upon stage the backbone of IEEE of Mount Zion College of Engineering. I hope you all got it, right? That person needs no special introduction. Yes, Mr. Elder Paul, Chair of Mount Zion College of Engineering IEEE for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all. യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അച്യുശങ്കർ സർ എന്നെ കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ് ആക്കി. കാരണം എല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വന്ന് സംസാരിച്ചിട്ട് നിർത്തിയപ്പോൾ അച്യുശങ്കർ സർ വന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിച്ച് ഉള്ള കയ്യടി കംപ്ലീറ്റ് കൊണ്ടുപോയി. So, but I have a few words prepared within myself to actually deliver over here. This is in fact a dream come true for the entire, all the members of the IEEE student branch of Mount Zion College of Engineering. So I in fact have a list. In fact, my list is endless. I have so many people to thank, so many hands to people to in fact praise over here. So let me start right from God Almighty. Thanks to Him. Just like I said, this is a dream come true. Next, I would like to thank our dear chairman, Abraham J. Kalamanil sir, and vice chairman. Without them, this wouldn't have been made possible. Then I would like to thank our director Joe sir, our principal P.C. Mohandas sir, and our branch councillor Pradesh sir also. All these people were with us throughout the preparations of this program. And there is one person whose name hasn't been mentioned so far on the stage. And that person is over here, is in this auditorium itself. It's our dear Vice Principal, Professor Matthew K. There he is. He actually didn't want us to mention his name over here. I don't know what the reason is, but he is a real strength behind Microsoft DreamSpark Yatra 2012, which is in fact hosted by the IEEE student branch of Mount Zion College of Engineering. I would like to thank Dr. Achyushankar S. Nair, who is the chief guest on this occasion. He is such a great personality, and I also got to share a few personal moments with him today morning. I consider it as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Thanks to him. Thanks to Sawan David sir, who came all the way from Hyderabad. He is the program manager of Microsoft. He actually kindly consented to take the session for this DreamSpark Yatra hosted by Mount Zion College of Engineering. Thank you, Sawan David sir. I would like to thank Nitin George and Deepthi Anna George, who are Microsoft student partners. They are present here. They were actually the link between our student branch and Microsoft for hosting this particular event. Then, last but not the least, there are people, wherever we put up the name Microsoft DreamSpark Yatra 2012, I always made it a point to make sure that it was IEEE MSHC SB Presents Microsoft DreamSpark Yatra 2012. It is not because of anything else. It is because of the 221 members of the student branch. There are people who are still working on. When I am standing right under the fan on the stage, there are people sweating and working all over the campus and underneath in the ground floor. Without them, without all those people who are even still working to make this event a successful show, this wouldn't have been made possible. Thanks to all the members, all the volunteers, all the delegates, all the fellow Exicom members of IEEE student branch of Mount Zion College of Engineering. And thank you all who actually accepted our invitation and came here to attend the function. You will have a once-in-a-lifetime day over here. This will truly be an asset in your entire career. So thanks to all of you, thanks to everybody, and I missed out, sorry, all the placement officers who are present over here. They are actually over here to attend the inaugural function and to attend the face-to-face placement officers, all Kerala placement officers meet, which is actually planned to be held after this inaugural function. Thanks to all the placement officers and all the staff from all the colleges all over Kerala. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.